In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed a form on Framer quickly and correctly so you can collect leads, feedback, or signups right inside your website. This is a super useful trick if you want to connect Google Forms, Typeform, Tally, or any other form tool that gives you an iframe embed code. And the best part is, once you learn this, you can reuse the same process on almost any Framer page. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe for more Framer tutorials, and let's jump right in. First, you need to copy the embed code from your form provider. Most form tools will give you a piece of iframe code or an embed snippet that you can paste directly into your website. For example, if you're using Google Forms, open the form, look for the send or embed option, and copy the code provided. Make sure you copy the full embed code exactly as it appears, because even a small missing piece can stop the form from loading properly. Now open your Framer project. Once you're inside the editor, go to the page where you want the form to appear. This could be a contact page, a landing page, a newsletter sign-up section, or even a pop-up style area depending on how you're building your site. The goal here is to place the form exactly where your visitors will see it and interact with it most easily. Next, click the plus button, also known as Insert, in the Framer editor. This opens the Insert panel where you can add different elements to your page. In the search bar, type Embed. You should see the embed element appear in the results. This is the component you need because it allows you to place custom HTML or iframe content directly into Framer. Drag the embed element onto your page. Once it's placed, you'll see a field where you can paste your code. Click into that field and paste the embed code you copied earlier from your form tool. If the code is correct, Framer will load the form inside the embed box. Depending on the form provider, it may take a second or two to preview properly, so give it a moment to render. If the form looks too small or too large, resize the embed frame until it fits your layout neatly. This is important because the default size may not always match your design. You want the form to be fully visible without cutting off buttons, input fields, or submission elements. If needed, adjust the height and width until everything displays cleanly on desktop and mobile. At this point, it's a good idea to test the form before publishing. Click through the preview or check the page in the editor to make sure the form loads correctly, the spacing looks good, and the fields are usable. If the form provider has a responsive embed, it should automatically adapt to different screen sizes, but it's still worth checking on smaller devices to make sure nothing gets clipped. Once everything looks right, click Publish in Framer. Publishing pushes your changes live so visitors can start using the embedded form on your website. After publishing, open your live page and submit a test response if possible. This helps confirm that the form is functioning properly and that submissions are being received where you expect them to go. And that's it. You've successfully embedded a form on Framer. It's a simple process, but it can make a huge difference for lead generation, contact pages, and user engagement. If this video helped you, make sure to hit like, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and leave a comment if you want more Framer tips and tricks in the next video.